Hi everyone, are you tired but you really want to watch that video? Too long, right? So what can you do? I have the solution for you. So today we're delving into the realm of making YouTube shorter. You have bullet points, you have a short summary, you have a long summary, and you can watch that part of the video you really want to watch because now you know where the information is. So let's go. And it's free, yeah. So let's go to SoomTube AI. All you have to do is put the URL from the video here. Wait seconds, yes, seconds. That's it. Let's see the magic. You have detailed information about the video, but it's generic. Now you have a short summary with bullet points. You also have the detailed summary, and look, you have the time. You can watch this section if you want. How brilliant is this? How much time will it save for you? If you like this video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.